Hello YouTube! This summer's hottest topic probably is Nikon's release of their mirrorless camera Z6 and Z7. I have watched quite a bit of the review videos during the weekend and it doesn't look like these two cameras will be my choice in the near future. Instead, I read the article from the CMT magazine. It's mostly talking about 360 videos of streaming and the formats and equipment, things like that. So I got the idea that VR and 360 video probably will be the hot topic in the near future. So today I'm going to present this GoPro Fusion camera, open box. I just got it today. This camera just released I think a few months ago. And it's quite easy to use and the spec looks pretty good. The review is good. So I think it's good for me to going into the 360 or VR video capture upload so that you guys can take a look on where we are going. It's a good equipment to give you guys a full 360 VR immersive first vision experience when you watch my video later on. If you have watched my video before, you know I have this Xiaomi E spot camera. Actually, in terms of the traditional video shooting, I think not necessary to use the very expensive GoPro. Xiaomi or other brands, they also produce very good spot cameras. I have this Xiaomi camera for 3-4 years I think. I also have the waterproof case for this one. The total cost of this camera is probably just half of what GoPro will charge. But going into 360 video production, I think it's better to stay with GoPro and his very easy workflow. And the video performance is pretty good. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. GoPro Fusion camera body. Remember that it's a 360 camera, so the two lenses on the front and the back, so don't just put it on your table. You probably will hit the lens. And this one, the lens is not replaceable like some other brand. So once it's broken, you know, you probably need to send back to GoPro to have a replacement. Menus, carry case, very good. This one can put here as a protection. It comes with two mounting plate. One is flat, one is curved. You can put it on your helmet. USB cable, it's USB-C, so it's pretty good. The GoPro battery, this one is very large, probably double the size of GoPro Hero 5 and Hero 6 camera. Screw. The best thing is it comes with the selfie stick and it works. And it also works as a tripod, very handy. So if you extend it, it works as a selfie stick. That's it. And remember, this GoPro Fusion has 2 memory card slots. Here, besides the battery compartment, So you will need 2 memory cards, and remember, check GoPro's website, see what memory type is compatible. This SanDisk Extreme is one of the available or compatible memory cards that can be used in the GoPro, because since this one is shooting up to 5.3K video, the data rate is very high. The GoPro Fusion is fully waterproof. It can be used under the water up to 5 meters. So just put in your memory card, both sides.
It's cool. Right, Daddy?
Kind of.
I wonder when I grow up, I want to have one. May I?
And your battery. Fairly easy. So there are 2 cameras, one on the front, one on the back. The front, there's also a LCD monitor. It's just first time turn on. Fusion. Don't even know how to use it. Is it touch? No.
Try on the sides. There are buttons on the sides.
English. I think this is the button. No. Which one? Oh, here. Okay. This is the one to select. This one?
And
No.
This is the...
Turn on voice control.
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, pretty easy to use. That's the menu.
Very, very interesting.
Very interesting. Now I'm going to charge.
How do you charge it without a charger?
No, it's USB-C.
Oh, yeah.
Where's my USB-C plug-in? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
USB-C is here, so I can charge now. Battery low. Okay. So
You shall charge.
turn it off.
Oh, that's how you turn it off?
It sounds like Xiaomi.
What's Xiaomi?
Or maybe Xiaomi copy GoPro. After charge for overnight, the camera body feels quite hot. The temperature looks like 46, 47 degree on the body. I think it's not a good sign. Suppose the firmware should disable charging after it's full. After you shoot some videos, you can copy your video file from the SD card to your computer. So make a folder that include 2 subfolders, one for the front camera and one for the back camera, and copy the 2 folders into your destination. Make sure you keep all your files in the subfolder in the 2 front and back. Then go to GoPro's website, download the Fusion editing software that is used to stitching the front and back picture or front and back video into the one file. It shows that my computer has not enough memory, but actually I already have 8 gigabytes of memory. You can adjust the yellow, pitch, and roll to make the video perfect and trim it as you like, and then render it. Once the render is done, you can use GoPro's VR player to take a look on your finished video. You can change your viewing angles by dragging the mouse. Fusion Studio outputs two different kinds of video format. You can either output a movie, but this movie format with the CFHD codec is not supported by Adobe Premiere Element, as well as the VLC player. Both are not supported. GoPro's Fusion Studio lack of a feature that can save whatever you left last time. So the whole project has to be repeated again. So I have to go back and change to MP4 format. After you finish, get the MP4 video, you can play with the Windows player. Windows player actually support this VR and 360 format. Make sure you use the largest canvas that you don't need to trim or compress more of the video. Remember that this is a 3K video, so I just use the 4K canvas. Now you can import that into Adobe Premiere. You can add text or title onto your video. Keep in mind that when this video play on VR goggle or in 360 mode, you only see a very small portion in front of you, so the text has to be adjusted size properly. Your working canvas is 3K, so 3840 by 2160, so you have to adjust or resize the actual GoPro video up to H2H, so that after upload in YouTube and stitching as a VR 360, you won't see the black gap between the video. So just output a normal 4K video. About 50 megabit per second should be good enough. Before you can upload to YouTube, make sure you use the spatial metadata inserter to insert some VR or 360 metadata into your video so that YouTube can analyze and recognize this as a VR video. So it's upload like normal video, but YouTube will automatically recognize this is a VR video, and when you play this video, it will show up as a 360 video, and you can drag your mouse or use your VR goggle or very simple to just play on your cell phone and turn your cell phone left and right, up and down, and you can see the different angles of the video. So the stitching line from YouTube, actually there's a here black line, but it should be okay. And this is the stitching line between the front and back camera that the Fusion Studio not aligned properly. On other side of the stitching line. So the text or the title, actually if you move your mouse, it just like it's floating in the air. Okay, that's it for today. So hope you enjoy and keep watching
Oh my god! You have the GoPro Fusion! Oh my god, can I touch it?
Yeah, sure. Okay, we'll take a video later. Okay, outside. All right. Okay. So hope you enjoy the video and give like or subscribe, and I will upload some GoPro 360 samples later on.